48-volt 100 amp hour lithium rack battery. Free with Bluetooth. One user manual. One pre-shipment inspection report. 4 AWG power line. Communication network cable. Fixing screw and crimp terminal. Communication network cable. 2 handles. 1 yellow-green, 2-color grounding cable. 4 stacking brackets. Power positive metal terminal. Power negative metal terminal. LED indicator. Power button. Communication terminal. Safety breaker. The BMS will shut off the battery if current exceeds 110 amps continuously, while the 125 amps breaker protects against catastrophic shorts. Monitors and control your battery status and power anytime by WattCycle app. Widely compatible with the communication protocols of various brands of inverters on the market. Battery and accessories.